But that's the way it was. He didn't salute in the field either because he make a guy a target. So you can definitely see the difference between the cabos in a sense. This one is faded, not because of jig, but because it was worn quite a bit. And then normally you would be seen in this cap, but you did have a bush hat as well. Bush hat was a bit scarce. But this cap is the normal one they would be wearing. You can see the South African Police Force star is on it. I often wondered if this makes a good target, that little red in it. So I asked the warrant officer and he said to me, look here, if a terrorist is that close to you to see that star and you haven't killed him, we'll talk about this behind the shed. You know what I mean? Yeah. Well, exactly what he means. So in other words, it's the same story as getting cold. Because the uniform wasn't designed for harsh temperatures, designed for Rhodesia. So in a South African theatre, man, it can get cold, it can get far below freezing. But you would shiver wearing that clothes. I mean, it was just damn cold in those clothes.